Happy Monday, everybody. Welcome to Module 2. This video is designed to give you a quick overview of what you will be doing in the coming module, which focuses on describing, comparing, and transforming polygons. You will have readings from van der Waal and Beckman. There's two different rounds of readings. There is a section that you're going to read from van der Waal and a section from Beckman that relates to polygons. And then later on in the module, you'll read another section in both books that relates to transformations. In addition to those readings, there is an article from Teaching Children's Mathematics that you'll be using that you can reflect on in the discussion forum, and I think will help you as you are continuing to look for ways that you can use what we're learning in the class with your students. There is one new resource you'll be exploring during this module called GeoGebra. GeoGebra is a website that has a lot of interactive activities. It is primarily designed for and used by middle school and high school, although there are a lot of elementary school applets on GeoGebra. GeoGebra is a tool that you might have used last year if you were teaching virtually or in hybrid, as it is an excellent computer-based program that allows students to do a lot of really cool things in geometry. There are three interactives you'll explore with. The first one is an open-ended geometry applet. There are no directions on what to do. There's no rules on what you have to do or don't have to do. It really is designed to allow you to explore and see what happens when you use the different tools. Uh, I know that for those people who are uncomfortable with less black and white type activities, this probably won't be the most enjoyable activity to do. However, just as we give students tools and ask them to explore before we try them out, this is an opportunity for you to explore a tool, and you truly can learn a lot from GeoGebra just by clicking on things and knowing that there's no right or wrong thing to do. The other two GeoGebra activities are uh, more straightforward. These have specific things you're going to try and explore with. There isn't a right or wrong answer to these, but it is a little bit more directed. So it's a little clearer on what you have to do, and there is a goal for each of these. So you'll be exploring with those interactives, and one of the discussion forum posts does relate to the GeoGebra interactives. The discussion forum for Module 2 only has 2 threads instead of 3. In part, that is because the end of module assignment, the coaching artifact, is more extensive than the end of module assignment for Module 1. Even though this is going to be a more substantial product that you're creating because it's a presentation, this is designed to be essentially part B of the Module 1 assignment. The Module 1 assignment, where you analyzed the illustrative math tasks, those are tasks, and your analysis of those tasks, you should use them in your coaching artifact. That activity in that paper was designed to essentially be a draft for this coaching artifact. But because the coaching artifact is more extensive, it's one of the reasons there are only 2 threads. The directions in the discussion forum to tell you what the first thread is specifically about and what the second thread is specifically about. Both threads will require a post, replies, and at least one reply to a reply in each of the 2 threads. There is a learning journal for this module, as there was for the first one. There'll be one you do at the beginning and one you do at the end. And again, the main thing is that your reflections just need to be at least 250 words to earn a satisfactory score. Your learning journals from the first module were exceptionally reflective, and I look forward to reading your learning journals for this second module as well. There is a calendar and a list of suggested due dates to help pace you as you work through this. Following this can allow you to have a lot of time in the second week to work on the coaching artifact. Best of luck in Module 2, and if there's anything you need, please email me.